Okay, so we're gonna do chain of survival. Page 10 is in the book. The objectives is understanding the importance of fast response to survival of cardiac arrest, identify the role of the bystander in the chain of survival. Now, when you talk about sudden cardiac arrest, that's different than heart attack. So we're going to cover heart attack separately. But some of the techniques that goes with chain of survival and what you do for heart attack and for even other kinds of injuries all apply to this chain. I'm going to watch this video. After that, we're going to finish up this discussion here. All right, first, chain of survival. Of course, it is on page 10.
Yes, sir.
If you run across someone, you come upon someone, they're laying on the ground, they're not responding, they're not moving, is that an emergency?
Yes.
Yeah.
Call 911.
If they're not, anybody not responsive, it's an emergency. You gotta call 911, not to see it. If they are moving, but they're obviously injured, do you need to call 911?
Yes.
If they're laying on the ground and they're injured, then I would. Okay. Does it hurt to call 911 and get them on the process? It never hurts. It may be a wasted trip, may not be.
King is here.
Okay. Well, they're gonna come and let me know when they get here.
They're here now.
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
here.
when they need me, that's when they'll come and get me. Okay. So when you come upon someone, they're unresponsive, we're gonna check to see if they are alert, if they're breathing. That's all part of the CPR process. But calling 911 first, it starts the process. If a person is not breathing and the heart's not beating, you gotta start CPR.
Right.
Okay, and that's what this next section is all about. Now, you talk about the heart and the brain are most sensitive to the lack of oxygen. The heart pumps blood from the ventricles to the body, head, all the organs. The atrium, the top part of the heart, pumps blood to the lungs. So blood goes through the body, from the ventricles, through the body, back to the heart, to the lungs, back to the lungs, from the lungs back to the heart, where it goes into the ventricle, and it pumps to the body again. So that's the process for how the blood flows. If the brain doesn't get oxygen, enough blood supply, in 4 to 6 minutes it starts to die. Okay, it starts deteriorating. After 10 minutes without oxygen, the brain dies. Okay, so you really don't have a whole lot of time. That's why early CPR is so important. The compressions will not start the heart back up. It will only keep the blood circulating, all right? So it keeps the blood circulating until the next step, which is the AED arrives. Now the AED is not going to arrive unless you tell somebody to go get it, right?
All right.
So when you come on the scene, someone's unresponsive, you check for responsiveness, you tap them, that's part of the CPR process. You're going to tap them, try to get their attention. If they're not moving, you're going to call 911. Tell someone to go get the AED and come right back. And then you're going to start your CPR. Once the AED arrives, as soon as it arrives, you're going to use it. Now, we're not going to do that for the test. When we do the test, AED is going to take a little bit to arrive, okay? But in real life, as soon as the AED arrives, you use it. The person doing CPR continues doing CPR. The person who brings the AED, if they're trained, will work around that person. If they're not trained, you have to stop doing CPR and go ahead and use the AED. But the AED is next. You use it as soon as it gets there. Once the ambulance arrives, that's where, I think it's a car stop.
Question real quick. If someone who,
person who tells her AD is not trained to do that,
Mhm.
would you maybe would it be okay to like kind of talk them through how to do it so you can keep doing your progressions maybe, or is it just better to get the AED?
That's
on?
what they
I would, if I knew the person and they didn't know, I'd talk them through it, you know, and keep the progression going.
So that way you can keep doing the progressions.
Because they can at least get started.
Yeah.
They can open up, turn it on for you, pull the pads out, they can do that stuff for you. And then you can go ahead and
Because
attach it
those AEDs,
yourself.
they're not like on like that, right? They gotta go through like some kind of
They gotta
process.
charge.
Yeah.
Some AEDs will come on as soon as you open the package, others you actually gotta turn them on. Okay. As far as shocking, there's a process for that to happen. Okay. Let's see, advanced care. That's when the ambulance arrives, they take over, they get to the hospital, that's when we go through the cath labs, triple bypass surgeries, all that stuff, learning a new diet, going through physical therapy, learning how to walk again, if they've been down for a while, they may need some physical therapy, occupational therapy possibly. But it's all the things that take place while the person is being cared for. Once that's done and the person is released, they're gonna get some doctor's instructions. Who's never got doctor's instructions when you left the doctor? They always gonna tell you something. Take this medication, whatever you did, don't do that no more. They're gonna tell you something. Post-arrest care is go to the physical therapy. Here's this diet you need to be on. Reduce your fat, reduce your alcohol consumption, stop smoking, lose weight. All those kind of things they tell you is post-arrest care. That's the stuff that the patient has to do in order to not have that event happen again. If it's cardiac, they don't do it, another heart attack is down the road. Next time they may not be so lucky. Okay? Any questions about change of valve?
Nope.
911, first thing you want to do, early CPR. Use the AED as soon as it arrives. When advanced care gets there, EMS, a doctor, someone like that, they take over. And post-arrest care is up for the individuals to do. They got to do that which they're instructed to do. Now, if it's one of our family members, I would tell them, hey, you know, now that you're at the hospital, make sure you do what the doctor said. Don't just blow this stuff off, okay? I got cousins who's legally blind because she wouldn't take her medications when she's a diabetic, you know? Didn't have to go there. That's all she had to do was manage her diabetes. And she wouldn't